In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft OneDrive, complete tutorial for beginners, 5 minutes. Start by signing into your Microsoft account in your web browser. Once you're on your account dashboard, open the app launcher, the 9-dot grid in the top corner, and choose OneDrive. That takes you straight to your OneDrive homepage where you'll see quick access to recent files and a sidebar that helps you jump between sections. The My Files area is where all your files and folders live. Think of it as your main drive in the cloud. Click into folders to open them, use the toolbar to preview, rename, move, or download items, and keep things organized just like you would on your computer. When you want to add something new, select Upload and choose Files or Folder, or simply drag and drop from your desktop into the browser window. Uploads start immediately, and you'll see progress indicators so you know when everything is finished. Photos gives you a clean view of your images and videos grouped by date. It's great for browsing your media without digging through folders. If you use the OneDrive mobile app with camera upload enabled, your pictures will appear here automatically so everything stays backed up and easy to find. Shared is where collaboration happens. In this view, you can see files other people have shared with you, as well as items you've shared. To share something yourself, select a file or folder and click Share. Enter email addresses to send an invite or copy a link you can paste anywhere. Before you send, choose whether people can edit or only view, and decide if the link should work for anyone or only specific people. You can change or stop sharing later from this same area. If you delete something by mistake, head to the recycle bin. From here, you can restore files back to their original locations or delete them permanently to free up space. Keep in mind that items aren't kept forever in the recycle bin, so it's a good habit to restore important files as soon as you notice they're missing. OneDrive also connects seamlessly with Microsoft apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. When you save a document to OneDrive from those apps, it's stored safely in the cloud, auto-saves as you work, and is ready to access on any device. Finally, you can sync OneDrive to your computer, install the OneDrive desktop app, sign in, and choose the folders you want to keep offline. You'll get a OneDrive folder in File Explorer or Finder, and anything you add or change there will sync to the cloud automatically. That's it, your complete OneDrive starter guide.